The $100 done for you direct mail marketing and training system is unique and very powerful. Do you remember the traditional direct mail opportunity where you had to make copies of flyers, buy envelopes, stamps, labels, lists and then stuff the envelopes? Run back and forth to the post office sending out at least 100 mailers in order to generate cash, which is expensive and time-consuming. The beauty of this system is you don't have to do any of that. This is a lazy person's dream. Why? Because everything is done for you. Let me say that again. Everything is done for you. At no extra cost. This direct mail system is second to none. Is very affordable. And this actually works. How would you like to start receiving hundreds if not thousands per week? The system moderator does all the work for you and makes sure the system is secure. After the moderator receives your $100 membership/license fee, you are assigned a unique ID number. This number tells the moderator who you are and who gets paid. You'll get a payment confirmation and welcome email that includes your website address, login information, and product access. Each person that gets paid will also get an email notification with an updated total amount that will be mailed to them. Every Wednesday the names and addresses of everyone receiving money is printed on envelopes, the cash is stuffed into the envelopes and mailed out. Earnings of $500 or more is sent overnight as an option to you. Your one-time $100 fee is for a combination of products, digital training products, and the licensing fee to resell the product. Digital products, cash-generating website with lifetime hosting that tracks all leads and commissions, an autoresponder that follows up with your leads 24/7, a lucrative but optional pro level that creates wealth beyond your control. The digital training modules usually retail for $100 per month. Here you get access to 2 digital training modules for a one-time fee of $100. Which gives you access to the products and the ability to earn royalty on any sales you make. You as the person that sold the digital training modules owe a royalty fee, $20 each, to 4 other people and you earn $20 as the seller. You're also getting a lead capture system, where everyone who visits the company website Rotator and orders a free starter kit could end up in your back office, providing fresh red-hot leads that can be used for any business opportunity you may be promoting. It gets better with leverage. Leverage is where the big money is made. When the moderator mails kits for people that start out in position 1, they'll be in position 1 and you'll be in position 2. And then when they move to position 2, you move to position 3 and so on. Our members are earning hundreds/thousands per week. You're paid $20 from every referral that comes in on your first, second and third levels. You're receiving commissions on 3 levels in depth and infinity in width. Some people get $60 in their first week, others get over $500 by their third week. You are not required to send out your link but don't be naive, you get out of the system what you put into it. Once you realize the true value of this program, you will want to promote it everywhere. Your payments will come much faster if you promote for yourself, no promise or guarantee of income is implied here. Your chance of getting unlimited $20 cash payments weekly with this system is better than any direct mail system on the planet. People are joining fast because of the low startup costs and that all the heavy lifting is done for you. This is your financial breakthrough. It's up to you to take advantage of the opportunity. This is a simple 3-step mailing system. Step 1. Get a link from the person that shared this with you and request your free starter kit. Step 2. Once you receive the starter kit, send your one-time $100 license and setup fee, in cash or money order, in the self-addressed envelope. Step 3. Begin to promote your link and start watching your mailbox for weekly commissions. This system is simply amazing. Send for your free starter kit now. Do not wait. You can't afford to miss this. Send in your one-time $100 fee and receive returns many years to come. I have barely touched the surface of what this direct mail system can do. All the exciting details and more will be found in your free starter kit. Get back with the person that shared this information with you and request your free starter kit. Hurry and get started before your friends ask you to join with them. You can use this video and the 24/7 recorded call to explain this simple system to others. Remember, get back with the person that shared this information with you. And get started today. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for your time. And be blessed.